Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a cone chain, and you can use this as a name chain or just a decorative chain. So I've cut these strips into 6 inches long. This is the 1 1/4 inch acetate ribbon, same as this. So just want you to take these and fold it like this. You can make a point right there. This will make a little bit smaller cones, or you can do it like this, where you're coming down and coming over just a little bit. So it's like that on the back and that on the front. And this will make a little bit bigger cone. So either way, and you can hot glue this or you can staple it. I'm gonna staple. And put 2 staples in there. You see it? And on the acetates, there's a dull side and a shiny side, so you're gonna make sure that your shiny side is out. So again, just taking it, folding it like this, where it's, this one is down a little bit, but over this one. And then we just want to fit that inside the other one. Make sure you're covering up your staples. You can go in as deep as you want.